Would you like to know what the best paid work from home jobs are, and start to make money online from these remote jobs right away? Then keep watching. It's time to level up.
Series 1, Episode 13, Email Marketer. Earning potential, $25 to $80+ an hour. If this particular idea isn't something you think you'd be interested in, you should watch it anyway, as you might be pleasantly surprised, and during the video, you may think of someone you can share this with, who may still benefit from it. But, even if neither of these things happen during this episode, don't despair, because near the end, we'll clue you in on how you can benefit from an even more lucrative path, for those of you who'd prefer to level up like a boss. If you've ever received a promotional or branded email, it's probably the result of the work of an email marketing specialist. Their role is to design personalized, informative and engaging emails that bring in customers and encourage them to purchase products or services. In an age where social media and digital marketing are becoming the most important ways of generating new leads, the role of an email marketer is one that is in high demand, as businesses wish to modernize their outdated marketing processes. An email marketer is a digital marketing professional who specifically focuses on generating leads through email lists, and using impressive writing techniques to generate sales. Can you craft titles or email subject lines that people can't help but click? If so, you can make money online managing the email campaigns of clients. If you're not confident yet, try this hack. Use the free vidIQ keyword tools and AI coach, then tweak these video title suggestions into email subject lines. Once you can demonstrate the skill of enticing people with your words, by illustrating strong click-through rates, employers will rush to secure your services and will be eager to give you a long-term contract. You'll get major brownie points too, if you can help your clients grow their email lists. If you're wondering how to get into email marketing, there are a variety of things you can do to begin a career in this field. You can choose whether you want to work for a single business, a digital or email marketing agency, or work on a freelance basis. If you choose to pursue an email marketing specialist position, your day-to-day role may vary, but here are some of the main responsibilities that an email marketer might carry out on a daily basis. Creating a variety of different email campaigns, designing email links to be user-friendly, creating and compiling email lists, securing email databases for future lists, creating digital ads, tracking and analyzing each campaign, and following up on emails. Businesses may expect email marketers to work on one campaign or to work on a wide range of campaigns for different companies. Ultimately, what you work on depends on the size of the company and the particular scope of the role, or roles that you take on. Find jobs on People Per Hour, LinkedIn, Upwork, Indeed, emailjobs.io, and Glassdoor. Good hunting.
Thanks for watching. You'll find links in the description to the things we've mentioned, and we've also shared a link to an insider secret strategy that can make you even more money for a fraction of the effort. We share life-changing videos like these each and every week. Don't be a dummy, subscribe so you don't miss out.